Welcome to the ALGOCRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see task reports. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGOCRM. Reports help role-based users easily view all tasks related to them. Along with their own tasks, they can also view the tasks of team members who report to them, making it easier to track and manage overall team activities. We can check these reports from the left menu panel by going to the Reports section. Here, we will see the Task Reports option. After clicking on Task Reports, we will see options like Unassigned Task, Assigned Task, and Completed Tasks. Let's start with the Unassigned Task option. These are the tasks that are not yet assigned to any executive. Here, we get two options: Today's Unassigned Task and All Unassigned Task. Now, we will click on Today's Unassigned Task. Here, we can see all the tasks that were created today but are still not assigned to any executive. If any task is deleted, it will be removed from this list. If an unassigned task gets assigned on the same day it was created, it will automatically move from unassigned task to assigned task. We can also easily edit any task from here by simply double-clicking on it. Now, let's check the All Unassigned Task section. For this, we will go back to the left menu and click on Unassigned Task, where we will find the option for All Unassigned Task. In this section, we can view all the tasks that have not been assigned till date, from the time the company was created. If any unassigned task is deleted, it will also be removed from this section. If the assigned task ledger is deleted, then that task will appear again in All Unassigned Task, because its last stage becomes unassigned. To find any specific task, we can use the Filter option or the Search option, which helps us quickly locate the task. We have now completed the Unassigned Task module. Now, we will move to the Assigned Task section. For this, we will go to the left menu panel, open Task Report, and click on Assigned Task. Assigned tasks are those tasks that have been created and assigned to an executive. Here, we get three options: Overdue Task, Today's Assigned Task, and All Assigned Task. We will start with Today's Assigned Task. Here, we will see all the tasks that have been assigned today. Any inquiry that was previously unassigned but got assigned today will also appear in this list. If a task is assigned today but its receive date is an earlier date, it will still be displayed here because the task creation took place today. Now, let's check the All Assigned Task option. We can find this under the Assigned Task section and then click on All Assigned Tasks. Here, we can see all the tasks that have been assigned from the time the company was created up to today. If the ledger of any completed task is deleted, that task will appear here in the All Assigned Task list. Additionally, any task that is overdue or has been assigned today will also be displayed in this list. If any assigned task is deleted, it will be removed from this section as well. We can also use the Filter option to easily fetch and view specific data or edit any record by double-clicking on it. Now, let's check the Overdue Task. For this, go to the left menu, click on Assigned Task, and then select Overdue Task. An task becomes overdue when it has been assigned but the executive has not taken any action before the due date. The executive can still work on these tasks later, but they will be moved to the Overdue section. This also allows the owner to easily see which executive's tasks have become overdue. We can edit any task by double-clicking on it or use filters to quickly find specific inquiries. Now, let's move to the next module, Completed Task. For this, go to the left menu panel, open Task Reports, and select the Completed Task option. Here, we will see all the tasks that have been completed and whose task process is finished. Here, we get two options: Today's Completed Task and All Completed Task. First, let's check Today's Completed Task. All tasks that are completed today will be displayed here. If a task was assigned today and also completed today, it will appear in both today's assigned task and today's completed task. Even if a task was created earlier but completed today, it will still be shown in this list. Now, let's check all completed tasks. For this, go to the left menu panel, open Completed Task, and click on All Completed Tasks. Here, all the tasks completed in the last 6 months will be displayed. The All Completed Tasks section shows data from the past 6 months. If any task is deleted, it will also be reflected here. We can edit any task by double-clicking on it. And we can also use the filter option to quickly find specific task. Apart from the task report section, we can also view task-related reports directly from the dashboard. Now, let's move to the dashboard from the left menu panel. From the dashboard option, we will select task from the drop-down. In unassigned task, the today's option displays only today's unassigned task, while the view details option shows all unassigned task. In assigned task, the today's option displays today's assigned task, the view details option shows all assigned task, and the overdue task option displays all overdue task. In completed task, the today's option displays today's completed task, while the view details option shows all completed task from the last 6 months. The report section provides a complete overview of the company's data in a clear and organized way. We can easily track tasks based on their status, such as unassigned, assigned or completed. Overall, this helps in monitoring activities, managing tasks efficiently, and ensuring that nothing is missed. Thank you.